Spontooners, it's time for another Brewmate Brutank. Oh, we got a fun one today. 2 containers, quart-sized containers of orange juice. I like that. You can't find this everywhere.
But you can find it on Amazon.
Yeah.
Our link will be down below. Da Vinci, Gourmet, Kiwi.
We're going Kiwi today. Wait till you see the liquor we put into this one.
We'll go half for now.
Go for half for now. We'll see what it tastes like and see if we get the kiwi flavor we want. I was going to show this to you earlier, honey, but I didn't think you could handle it. handle it. Oh, yeah, the Captain's White Rum is going in. You know what? I don't like those little things on top. There we go.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
All right, Cap. Oh, boy.
I don't know. What do you think?
I think that one's going to sneak up on you and hurt. That's what I think. Do it. Add it up. I think you should add it. Yep. I agree with you. Now, if you know,
that's pretty.
It's
so pretty.
Now, if you know anything about the Brewmate Brutank, you get a really good seal on this. This goes with the cooler, by the way. We have the spout here, or the spigot that you will pour your drink from. We're going to put it in here this time. Just like that. The tank is in here seated. Now we have gone through the tank itself with our spigot spout pourer, and we are ready to pour a beverage. Time for some. I'll pour it for you.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's pretty. Aaron.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you to Aaron for shooting the video.
Thank you, Aaron.
Well, I'm kind of anxious to try this one. That was a lot of rum.
That's a lot of rum.
That was a lot of rum. All right, here it is. Let's try out Kiwi Pleasure. Just forgot we're not talking very loud. We don't have microphones. All right, Kiwi Pleasure. Here we go. I'm okay with that.
I don't even know what it tastes like because
I don't either. It's so different, right?
it's not orange juice.
It's tropical.
It's tropically. Yeah, it's almost pineapple-y.
I was gonna say that. You could even put like
Where did the pineapple come from? Where did the pineapple come from?
Right.
It shouldn't have come from anywhere. But
Exactly.
The kiwi might have added something with the orange juice.
Yes.
Who knows? That is good.
It's good stuff.
The Brewmate Brutank, we hope you liked that one. Share it with your friends. The link to all our goodies is down in our bio. We'll see you soon, right?
Be spontaneous.